Hi guys, I'm Juby and welcome to my cooking channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to cook adobong manok sa gata or chicken adobo in coconut milk. Here are the following ingredients. 3/4 to 1 kilo of chicken, cut into serving pieces, 1 piece red onion, minced, 10 cloves of garlic, minced, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of whole peppercorn, 5 to 6 pieces of dried bay leaves, 2 cups of water, 200 ml of coconut milk or gata ng nyog, 2 pieces of siling labuyo, 2 pieces siling aba or siling green. Let's start cooking. First, heat cooking oil in a pan. Once the cooking oil is hot, add minced onion. Saute minced onion until it becomes translucent or semi-transparent. Once you're done with the onion, add minced garlic. Saute minced garlic until it turns slightly brown in color. After that, add the chicken. Make sure that the chicken is already washed and clean. Saute chicken until you cannot see any pinkish part. It should be turned into color flesh. I also added some ground black pepper to further enhance the flavor. After the chicken turned flesh in color, add the soy sauce, white vinegar, whole peppercorn, 5 to 6 pieces of dried bay leaves, and the water. Cover and simmer for 30 minutes on medium heat. Remember, do not stir at this point. After simmering for 30 minutes, the sauce is now reduced and the chicken is now tender. You may now add the coconut milk or gata ng nyog. Add the siling labuyo, siling aba. These ingredients are optional only. Stir until the coconut milk well blended on the sauce. We want the sauce to look light brown in color. After mixing, cover and simmer it again for 5 minutes on medium heat. This will allow the coconut milk to be cooked alongside our chicken adobo. After 5 minutes, your chicken adobo and coconut milk is ready to be served. Thank you for watching, guys!